Hey, KS Services is now running their $59 fall tune-up special. Our team arrives on time and is always professional. Be sure your unit is ready for the cooler temperatures by visiting our website, callks.com today, and schedule your appointment. It's fast and easy. The weather's getting cooler and the days are getting shorter. Don't let the fall weather sneak up on you. Call us today. 205-322-9090, AL certification number 1112.
This is the Weather Xtreme video. It's the morning edition for Thursday, the 26th of October. I'm James Spann. Temperatures warm up a good bit today. We'll be up in the low 70s in many spots today, but the coldest air so far this season due in here over the weekend. And during the change, we'll have rain tomorrow night into Saturday morning, maybe a strong storm. And then frost and freeze potential by Sunday and Monday morning. So a lot of things on the board. Here we go. Trough number one, the one that brought the cold air we feel this morning, is over the eastern part of the United States. And yes, indeed, it's a cold morning. Look at Fort Payne. They've got a freeze, 32. Gadsden, 36. Upper 30s for Cullman and Anniston. But again, we'll warm up nicely today. We'll expect a high in the low 70s in most spots. Around the nation, a lot of freeze and frost warnings, a sign of the times, and a winter weather advisory up in Minnesota. They'll see some snow to fall tomorrow and tomorrow night, maybe into part of the day Saturday, their first snow of the season. Hey, check this out. This is the convective outlook for today and tonight. No thunder anywhere in the continental United States. However, on the day two outlook now, the guys at SPC have introduced a marginal risk of severe weather for parts of Alabama and Mississippi. The areas in darker green, that includes places like Jasper, Birmingham, Tuscaloosa, Demopolis, Grove Hill, and Jackson. We'll talk about that as we go. And again, this is for mainly late tomorrow night into early Saturday morning. Rain with the cold front early in the weekend, about 1 inch for the north, 1/2 inch for the south. And off in the tropics, again, a disturbance is on the coast of Central America. A medium chance that develops over the next 5 days. And one way or the other, that'll be merging with that strong cold front rolling up the front just off the Atlantic coast of the United States. No impact here one way or the other. But let's go through the models here. This is the GFS, the 06Z run, valid today at 1 o'clock local time at 500 millibars. Trough number one up in the northeast, the second trough beginning to dig down across the northern plains. And for us, again, a beautiful fall day, sunny with low 70s, just delightful. Tomorrow, we'll start the day in the 50s, not as cool as recent mornings. The high will be in the low 70s, a mixture of clouds and sunshine. Maybe a small chance of a shower tomorrow afternoon as moisture begins to increase. Let's go to 7 o'clock tomorrow evening. Of course, everybody wants to know about high school football games. And you can see maybe a few scattered showers around. And we're going to mention that tomorrow evening. So if you're going to a high school game, especially over central or west Alabama, I'd take the rain gear just in case. But that really widespread rain back over Mississippi and Tennessee, fairly decent chance that holds off until after the games are over. We'll go to midnight tomorrow night, 12 a.m. Saturday, and the rain becomes widespread north and west of Birmingham. Let's take a look at the instability, and there's just a little tongue of unstable air coming up from Mobile up to Demopolis, Tuscaloosa, and Birmingham, and that's where the SPC guys have that marginal risk, and obviously this will not be a big threat. Helicity values are up a little bit in there, but it just seems like the buoyancy is not all that impressive. But still, you know what I'm going to say here. When it comes to thunderstorms, expect the unexpected. So we'll watch radar trends carefully tomorrow night. But again, I'd say the overall severe weather risk is low. Then this is Saturday, back to the GFS, and again, the rain will be ending most likely by late morning, midday for most. In fact, this is Saturday at 1 o'clock. And showers are still in progress on the eastern side of the state. The rain has ended over west Alabama. And it's going to be a blustery, raw day. Wow, look at the wind chill indices at 1 o'clock Saturday. It's going to feel like 40 in Birmingham. With clouds, strong northwest wind, it's just going to be a very raw, cold, damp day. But again, the bulk of the rain will be during the morning, I think, and then it ends by mid-afternoon for the eastern side of the state. So let's go to Sunday. It'll be a very cool day. Sunday morning will be down in the 30s. The high will be in the upper 50s. The sky will be sunny. Monday morning now, that's when the high is on top of us and the winds go light. And I think this is going to be the most widespread frost in the coldest morning for most. Colder pockets will go in the 20s. Some other places could see their first freeze of the season, but again, widespread frost is likely. So for a lot of folks around here, it's going to wrap up the growing season for 2017. Tuesday, the high back around 70. Wednesday, a little front comes in that might kick off a few showers maybe Wednesday night, but it doesn't look like a big rain event. And this is a week from today, Thursday, November 2nd. Trough over the northeast and a new surge of dry air, but not really cold like the air we're feeling now. This is the end of the forecast period. Saturday, November 4th, the zonal flow, and if this is right, that day would be dry. But keep in mind that's 10 days out. That's subject to change. Check the numbers. You can see the big cool down for the weekend. Highs dropping in the 50s. And again, Saturday, I think that high is going to come in the early morning hours, and we could be in the 40s much of the day. And you can see those mid-30s Sunday morning and Monday morning, and your number will vary, especially Monday. Colder pockets will likely see 20s. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can't catch us this evening, on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
Hey, KS Services is now running their $59 fall tune-up special. The weather's getting cooler and the days are getting shorter. Don't let the fall weather sneak up on you. Call us today, 205-322-9090, AL certification number 11120.